Hey there, kids. Welcome to our bedtime story time. Tonight, we have an amazing tale about a great little boy named Daniel. Let's get started. Meet Daniel. He's a little boy who is a bit worried about lions. One night, little Daniel couldn't sleep. He tossed and turned, clutching his stuffed lion. What if there were lions under my bed? He thought, feeling a little scared. Lions under the bed, his dad said with a smile as he walked into the room. Well, I know a story about lions that might help you sleep. You see, there was once another Daniel long ago who had to spend a whole night with real lions. Big Daniel was thrown into a den full of hungry lions because he prayed to God even when the king said not to. But guess what? Those lions weren't scary at all. Instead of worrying, the lions were snoring. One lion had a snore so loud it could shake the walls. But do you know why Daniel wasn't afraid? Because God sent an angel to protect him. That angel made sure the lions kept their mouths shut and maybe made them a little sleepy too. Daniel slept peacefully all night long, even with those noisy lions around him. He knew that God was taking care of him. So, little Daniel, even if there were lions under your bed, which there aren't, God would be right here with you, keeping you safe, just like he did for Daniel in the Bible. I guess if the lions were snoring, I could just sleep right through it. Dad smiled. That's right, buddy. God is always watching over you, even when you're asleep. Sweet dreams. Just like Big Daniel, we can always trust that God will protect us no matter what. Sleep tight and remember, God's angels are always near. I hope you enjoyed this Christian children's bedtime story. If so, please click the like button below and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Also, please visit our website at makingchristknown.com for other Christian messages.